This tutorial shows how to upload documents, share them with recipients, and collect e-signatures using Zil Sign on onlinecheckwriter.com, powered by Zil Money. To begin, select Business Tools from the sidebar and click View More. From the Business Tools page, choose Zil Sign. You will be redirected to the Zil Sign dashboard. Click Request Signature to start the document signing process. Upload the document you want to sign. Choose files from your device, or simply drag and drop them into the upload area. You can update the document name here to make your file easier to identify. Next, add the recipients who need to sign the document. Click this button to add more recipients, and use Add Me to add yourself to the list. Enter the required details in the corresponding fields, and choose from the drop-down whether the recipient needs to sign, or should only receive a copy. To remove a recipient, use the delete icon. You can view the total SMS cost for your recipients here. Once all details are completed, click Continue to proceed. In this screen, you can prepare the document for signing by assigning fields to recipients. On the left, use the Page panel to navigate between document pages. In the center, preview the document and identify where signatures or details are required. On the right, select a recipient to activate them for field assignment. From the Fields section, drag and place the required fields, such as signature, full name, date, or text, directly onto the document. Each field added will be assigned to the selected recipient. You can add your details by selecting Pre-fill by you before sending the document to the recipients. Once all required fields are placed and verified, click Send to share the document for signing. Carefully verify that all required fields are correctly added for each recipient. Once confirmed, click Confirm to proceed, or select Cancel to make any necessary changes. Your document has been successfully sent to all recipients. The document appears in the Records section with the status marked as in progress. Click the eye icon to view the complete details of the sent document. The recipient opens the email and clicks the Sign Document button to access and complete the assigned fields. Click the Signature field and choose how you want to create your signature by selecting Type, Draw, or Upload. Then, fill in the required fields and click Agree and Continue. Review the terms and conditions carefully, then click Agree and Continue to proceed with signing the document. Once the document is signed, click the Submit button to complete the process, and then choose to email, print, or download the document if needed. Here, the recipient status will change the signed. This section also displays the complete activity timeline. You can preview the document using the View icon and download it using the Download icon or button.